Welcome to the presentation of the Integrated Cash Book. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how the integration works from the cash books that automatically update the income statement, the trial balance, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. If you don't require integration from cash book phase, you can purchase the product to integrate from trial balance phase into income statement, into balance sheet, and into cash flow, and you needn't use cash books. You can order your products to integrate that will suit your requirements. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the integration from cash book phase. If you purchase the integration from cash book phase, you will watch the cash book tutorials and you will prepare your cash books within these files provided that you will receive when you purchase the integrated business cash book product. So if you begin using the product in the month of December 2011, for example, you will then open the December 2011 cash book and you will edit your chart of accounts as I teach you how to do in the cash book tutorials, and you will import your bank statements and do your allocations within the file provided. When you create a new sheet that the cash book training videos teach you how to do, you will save the new sheet using the file name within the folder that you receive. So let's get cracking with the exciting stuff and show you how the integration works. Let's open up the income statement. It will ask if you want to update it from the cash books that you've entered, and you can always click on Update. And let's open the balance sheet and trial balance to cash flow statement and click on Update. And you will see that these files have no figures in them. They have the standard chart of accounts that comes with the files when you purchase them. The balance sheet has no figures in it. And the income statement has no figures in it, and also is represented with a standard chart of accounts before you've edited it. So let's close those files again now. You can say save each time you open and close them. And let's go and open up a cash book that I've prepared called Cash Book December 2012 Example. So this is a complete cash book that I've prepared that you will also receive when you purchase the product to help you to allocate your own transactions. And the summary of income and expenses is quite complete. The chart of accounts is edited in line with how we edited it in the business cash book tutorials that you'll watch. There's the bank accounts being edited. There's personal insurance being edited. So to show you how the automatic updating, or what we call integration of the cash book into the trial balance and income statement and so on works, let's go and save this cash book December 2011 example within the integrated product folder, where I showed you that the income statement and balance sheets had no figures in them. So we'll go and look for that folder. And we are going to now save this cash book into this file and save. Cash book already exists. We want to replace it, yes. And now if we go and open up the income statement within that folder, so we've now put the December cash book here. Let's go and open up the income statement that was blank just now that I showed you. And we say Update. And all the transactions that were captured in your December cash book will then update your income statement in the month of December. And let's go and open up the balance sheet with the trial balance and the cash flow statements. And we'll say Update. See there, it's blank currently. You can see behind the little message window, Update. And it automatically then updates your balance sheet figures directly from your cash books. This will now just have the December cash book figures in the balance sheet, and in your trial balance it will just have the December cash book figures in the movement columns. The first time you use the product, you will enter your opening balances if you have any. It then calculates the movement of the particular month that you're doing in the trial balance, and it gives you the closing balance of the particular month that you're then preparing your books for. And it's as simple as that. All you need to do is prepare your cash book by importing your bank statements, allocating your VAT category as you will be trained to do, allocating your account code and descriptions, and you will automatically produce your income statement and your trial balance, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. The chart of accounts in your trial balance and in your income statement can only be linked to one cash book, and it has been linked to the March cash book. So if you are using the product for the first time in the March month, your income statement and trial balance chart of accounts will be happy, because in the March cash book you will be editing your chart of accounts as the training videos for the cash books teach you. But if you're using the product for the first time in, for example, the December month, and you edit your chart of accounts in the December month, you will just need to copy your chart of accounts over into the March cash book, for the trial balance, to recognize your new chart of accounts. There we go, it's now updated the chart of accounts in the trial balance, and for it to recognize the new chart of accounts in the income statement. That's just one of those little things when it comes to Excel, that it can only read a link to one cell from another one cell. And that is all you really need to remember to do to get your integration to work perfectly for you. So just to recap on this amazing product, is to automatically deliver a trial balance, a balance sheet, an income statement, and a cash flow statement. You only need to prepare your cash book each month to automatically deliver your reports for you. Or like I said earlier, you could also purchase the product to automatically update your balance sheet and cash flow and income statement only from the trial balance phase, where you will enter the movement onto the trial balance, which will then integrate into the rest of the products, if you don't need to integrate from cash book phase. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our flagship product, and I trust that you will enjoy it as much as we do. I hope to speak to you again very soon. Ciao for now.